guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm at the airport. It's like 10 something. My flight leaves at 12 and they say you have to check in 2 hours before your flight, and I drove from Tampa to Orlando, so that's why I had to get here early, because usually I'll get like to the airport at like an hour and a half if I'm already checked in online. But I had already checked in, but to be sure that I make it on time, I'm here like super early. So I'm just here sitting down waiting for my flight at 12:35. We're gonna take off and we'll land in Jamaica at 2:30 something. Oh wow.
That's it.
No, that makes sense.
Big deal, meal deal, corn and biscuit. And 2,640 at the window.
Alright.
Get the good old KFC. Oh, it's like corn. It's not the bag. Solid biscuit. Let's see which one I'm going to test. I'm hungry right away.
About the same for you, actually.
We get 1 year and 1 month for this
KFC?
barbecue KFC.
Look at it.
First thing we have to get from a land off a plane. Guys, hey, what's what's going on? So this is day 1 of my mini vacation. So I get me first crap, I almost dropped my fork. First box food for the trip. Pork. It's a pork here looks so good. Alright. My pork look like that. Brown stew pork with veg and fried plantain. I'm going to dig into it now and see what I go and see. Smell good. Smell scotch bonnet pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper smell good. Tastes good. Tastes good, mom. You have a buzz. Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah. Come right out. For your people. First box food for the trip. The pork is not tasty. Come on. Pork have a buzz. Yeah. Pork happen. Yeah. It tastes good. I'm going to finish eat and then go check my grandpa.
And then I room I listen to him radio. So I'll eat and I'll check him.
What? Give me one small one, please. You want soup?
How much it? Chicken foot is it?
Yeah. You want it? Give me two, yeah? Two. Could have worse.
Everything there. Small things over there, Jamaica, better than foreign. Let me look for the quality back them in the car on them. Gucci this, Gucci that.
Look at Rona, pretty. Rona. Go and buy your own bun tomorrow. When the funeral done. No.
When they go, what is?
Friday.
At the funeral home, come to drop off the burial stuff for funeral tomorrow. See my fight, they broke it up. Broke up the fight. So if you broke up the fight, they walk past them. We broke up fight till they walk past them. They want breads. Must have been hungry, make not fight. Hey people, welcome back. So we coming straight out of Jamaica, you know. Have a dead in my family, so we came here for funeral. So now we're packing up the goat and everything to go to the funeral, to my aunt's house. So, oh. So we go pick breadfruit and pack up the goat. Mine a drop. You go pick breadfruit for roast. The cooking a soup. Hot mother hairstyle.
If you go there, go hot him up.
She eat chicken and chips. So Lucy Market look different. Check out Lucy Market. Looks so different.
She can't help you.
Oh, sorry. This?
This? She did one front.
Oh, sorry.
What you not help her?
Sorry, me never let pray. Sorry, cuz.
What you want?
250 a dozen.
You want some chocha to me? And carrot.
Much one corner.
Yeah. Look at cabbage. Cabbage and lily. Oh man, they're on the front. Let's go have some. We get some pepper in you know something there, one more?
You get pepper ready?
Get pepper ready.
Hot pepper?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yeah, pepper, onion, and garlic, yeah.
You get garlic too? Now we pick up. So this you buy fries.
Alright.
Carrot, you never want carrot too?
No, so you just want one there.
Okay.
Pumpkin looks so.
A nice pumpkin, but you may chip it in.
Don't wait up.
Yeah, you did it.
Which one?
Well, yes, the bigger one.
Oh, the bus park. Yeah, so? So? I'm sorry, one behind. Cooking a guan. I'll make some manish water. I did some good old bun and cheese. Very good. Only thing soda. No? No, no. But I cook to manage water. Cooking a guan over there, so. Happy Celine. Good morning. So we're there. I gotta pick some bush right now. We make some tea in the morning. Think about Jamaica, you know. Can just come out of my backyard and go pick some bush. I should have picked soursop leaf. I'll pick make leaf alive. Make leaf alive this morning. I may go pick some soursop leaf and dry them. Should I pick them from yesterday, you know? Nah, I'm go dry in time. Need some soursop leaf tea for carry home, man. You're good for nerves. When you work and done at night time and go home, you just make some soursop tea and go to your bed and lay down. Relax your nerves, you know, and make you sleep like a baby. So me have to go pick some right now. Even though me I go try get ready to go to funeral and stuff. I go pick some. I go wash the leaf alive, leaf them, and make some tea with them right now. The patio there in my grandmother's kitchen from me a little pitney. A tea patio older than me. Me a 40-year-old and a tea patio. You see it? You know, make them a sit here again. Long time old teapot business. My grandmother Pat, man, she dead and gone, but Pat still live on. When me come and me see the pot in the kitchen, I was like, wow. Pot bring back childhood memories, you know, good old days. Grandmother used to cook good old food.